So in today's video, I thought I'd show you how I plait my hair with right hemiplegia, just having broken my wrist. I mainly focus on doing side plaits or two plaits, which is what I'm going to do today, so let's just get on with the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I plait my hair with right hemiplegia, just having broken my wrist. So first I'm going to start with two plaits, because these are plaits that I do all the time, especially when I wash my hair. I will put my hair into two plaits to make it curly if I want to film the next day or I just want to have curly hair. So I thought I'd show you how I do that first. So once I've brushed it, I then separate it into two parts. I just basically feel until I've got two parts and then I tie one side up. One side of the head is always harder to plait than the other side. I don't know if you guys are like that as well. When you're plaiting, when you're doing two plaits, one side is always easier than the other to do. For me, it's my right side that's the easiest to plait, whereas the left one can always be a bit more difficult. Don't know why. And there you go, this is how I do two plaits with right hemiplegia. Now I'm going to be showing you how I do a side plait, so let's just get into it. So first I'm just going to brush my hair again. But this time I'm going to be flicking it to one side. Again, I feel like my best plaits are on this side of my head, my right side, so that is what I'm doing. I just find left side plaits to be more difficult. I don't know why, it's just how my hair is. So once I've flicked it all over to the right side, I'm then going to grab it . And there you go, that is how I do a side plait with right hemiplegia. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to. Also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like to see more of these tutorials. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!